Hi friends, I once again welcome you all to my first ever IGTV video. Yeah, basically I've decided to put a series of some of the things which are gonna benefit you all, and which after I try it on myself, I really want my viewers to get benefit of those things, those apps. So I'll try to be regular in this series. So as the first episode, now let me tell you about three apps. Yeah, three apps which you gonna absolutely love if you just know about them, and they'll be very beneficial for you in this lockdown period. Not only in this lockdown, but even after that. Anchor FM by Spotify. Exactly. Anchor FM by Spotify is an application created by Spotify people for podcasters. Yes, if you want that your content should be available on Spotify, it's just few simple steps which you can create a channel on a podcast channel and then make it available not only on Spotify but Google Podcast, iTunes and other breaker platforms as well. So Anchor itself as a platform is a great initiative by Spotify. I myself have downloaded Anchor, and trust me guys, believe me, when I had downloaded this app, I immediately I was hooked it through the interface, through the editing styles, through the recording styles, and everything basically about the app. I just love podcast. The second application is CureFit. Exactly. Yes guys, CureFit. Fitness is loved by everyone, but in the lockdown scenario we cannot go out anywhere. Just simply we can't go, and especially gyms were one of the first places which were being shut down by the government on the special orders by them. So I really found this app called CureFit really cool. It doesn't even have live sessions, but it also have physical gyms. So what they have done right now is they have started called live fitness classes for people. It's completely free of cost, which you can join immediately and take any slots. And the best part is most of the classes are taken by celebrities. Exactly, the celebrities, your favorite celebrities. Like I personally attended dance fitness classes with Noura Fatehi. I personally will attend a dance fitness class with Moni Roy. Exactly. And you, not even fitness, you can even learn cooking by your favorite chefs. That too at the comfort at the comfort of your home, by celebrity chefs such as Ranveer Brar and many other your favorite chefs. You can do that easily, and you just need to download the app and just sign up and then get ready for your sessions. So my third and the last recommendation for today is Juggernaut Books. Yes, Juggernaut Books is basically a Kindle-like book service offered to its customers, to you all, by Airtel. Yeah, so Airtel customers can enjoy the variety in thousands of books, and then they can read it for free. The best thing is, if you have an Airtel VIP plan, you can always go and download Juggernaut Books, register using your Airtel registered mobile number, and enjoy thousands of collections for free, and then you can read it. No need to pay for individual books. Yes, there are some premium books, but always you are in the readers club of Airtel and of Juggernaut Books. Drop a comment below after trying the three apps which I just told you, and definitely share your experiences in the comment section down below, and definitely do share this video. Thank you. I hope you like it. Just follow me quickly on all these below platforms and enjoy the content.